In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change a record on GoDaddy. So before we start, of course, the first thing that you would like to do is just go and open whatever browser you are going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Once you open that browser, make sure to go into this URL section, simply type godaddy.com and hit the enter button. Of course, that should take you into this page. And if you're facing any issues with the language, as I faced in my first time in this website, you'll have to scroll down until the bottom of it and make sure to change the country or region, which will change the language with it. Of course, if you want even to change the currency, that will be possible. So now you will have to go back and log in into your account if you have one. And if you don't have an account, you'll have to go and create one. Of course, you will be able to do both options. At this top right corner option, you will find the option to create or even log in into your account. Once you did one of those two options, you'll find yourself on this screen, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen on the GoDaddy website. So as we said in the beginning of this tutorial, you would like to change your record on GoDaddy. If you want to do that, we'll have to do it on the products page. Click at your name in the top right corner and then click at my products, which will lead you into the products page of your account. Once you are at this products page, let's just load. Scroll down until you find this domain sections. Expand it if it's not expanded. Then look for the domain name that you want. For me, I have just this one. Then click at DNS, which will take you to the DNS management page. If you want to change a record, you'll find, of course, a DNS records, which is going to be the first option. Of course, if you are at this DNS SEC option, if you are at host names, make sure to click on it. So you are at this, you will find this DNS records, and once you find it, you can actually edit like a record. As you can see, you can simply click at the edit section or let's just upload. So let's just click at this pin icon, which will lead you to this option, and you can here edit whatever you want. And you'll be good to go after you click at save button. As you can see, it will update the DNS record, which will update your domain name, and you'll be good to go. As you can see, you'll find the success message here. So that will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.